Hello people, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how you can activate Wondershare Filmora. This is just a software that basically we can use it to edit our videos, and it's very good video editor. I've been using it for a while, but just recently I just needed to get it registered because there was a free trial version. I used it for quite, I think, for about 2 weeks, and then after that, it required to get registered. Otherwise, there is a watermark appearing in your videos. All right. To get rid of that watermark, you need to get it registered. Okay. So pretty much what you need to do is so you need to download the Wondershare Filmora. This is where I have downloaded. Okay, and then as I said, you get about 2 weeks, about 14 days free trial version that basically you can use, but just not full version, just a basic version, right? But then after that 14 days, you're required to get it registered. Otherwise, as I said, when you are just editing your video, there's going to be kind of a watermark appearing in your videos. Okay, all right. Now what we need to do is basically once you downloaded it, okay, you have to first of all turn your Wi-Fi or tell your internet off. Okay, so what I'll do, just go there and then I put it on flight mode. So basically I switch it off. Okay, so there is no internet, there is no connection. All right, so we can see if, for example, I go there, then we just search it here and see it's not working. Okay, all right, so this is the first one. Then what you have to do is you open up your Wondershare Filmora. Okay, so just waiting for that uh, to open. Okay, so I have got it registered. So at the moment, I can use the full version of the Filmora here. Okay, but I'm just going taking you through all the steps that you need to do, and then by the end of the steps, you're able to use it as a full functional software. Okay, all right. So as you can see here, this is the full version. Then you go to register. So see here, there's a file, edit, Foxroad, help, and register. Go to register part. Here you can see the register. Okay, if you can, as I said, I have got it registered. Okay, but when you just open the register, there is nothing here. Okay, so what you need to do, you basically need to type the license email and the registration code. Okay, so where we get those ones. I've got like the few, but I think about 5, 6 combinations, right? If you need it, if you need them, you can just take, put down your email into the comment part, and then I will email it to you. All right. So basically, the one that I'm going to use is the third one here. So pretty much you are just basically what you do, you copy that and then go to this part. As I said, get registered. You paste it in the license email. Then you go to the code. You just copy the code like that, and then you bring it down, put it here, and then there is a register code here. You you click on it, and then after some time, it just shows you that it's registered. Okay, and then after pretty much after that, you get your software registered, and you can use it pretty much with full functionalities. Okay, all right. What else is, as I said, this is my recommendation, all right? Because sometimes what happens when you're using this software is asking you for the update, okay? So my recommendation is to just, when you're using this software, always remember that to just turn your internet off, all right? If there is a Wi-Fi, if there's anything else, just turn it off, switch it off, and then use the software, do your editing stuff, and then after that, close it, extract your videos, and then you can use your video without any problem. Okay. I hope that this video is helping you. As I said, if you like the video, give you a thumbs up and just subscribe to my channel If there is any, if it's working for you, just comment me down below and show me your support. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. I hope it worked for you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. All right, cheers. Bye.